Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Elantra with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Insert the key completely into the ignition. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. This sequence prepares your car for a smooth start. Turning the key too quickly can sometimes cause issues, so take a moment to confirm each step. This method applies to most Elantra models with a traditional key ignition. Understanding the key positions is crucial. Turning the key to powers accessories like the radio. The on position illuminates your dashboard and activates electrical systems, but the engine remains off. Finally, turning the key to start engages the starter motor, which cranks the engine. Release the key once the engine starts. It will spring back to on automatically. Do not hold it in start for more than a few seconds. If your Elantra doesn't start, check a few things. First, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key. A weak battery is a common culprit, so listen for a slow crank or no sound at all. Also, inspect your key for any damage or bending that might prevent proper insertion or recognition. These simple checks can often resolve minor starting problems quickly. For long-term reliability, regularly check your car battery's health, especially before cold weather. A healthy battery ensures consistent starts. Always keep a spare key in a secure location, as losing your primary key can be a major inconvenience. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Remember, proper maintenance extends your vehicle's life and ensures a reliable start every time you turn the key.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.